No bargain for Warren Buffett. The Berkshire Hathaway boss referred to his recent purchase of the railroad company Burlington Northern with Charlie Rose. Monica Bertran has a little bit more on what the billionaire investor had to say. Monica.
And Deirdre, not cheap, but a good asset. That's how Warren Buffett describes his deal to buy Burlington Northern, a business he wants to be in for the long haul.
Well, I felt it was an opportunity to buy a business that is going to be around for 100 or 200 years. That's interwoven with the American economy in a way that if the American economy prospers, the business will prosper. No, the American economy will come back. It won't be tomorrow, and you know, it won't be exactly the same. But in the end, we've not changed the American people in their capacity to innovate or their excitement about becoming more prosperous and coming up with new ideas.
All right, and Buffett had his own ideas. He took his own steps to protect Berkshire from the recession. He stockpiled $44 billion of cash and avoided risky mortgage investments that helped send the biggest U.S. financial firms to the government for bailouts last year. Buffett is also blasting the banking industry, though, demanding more sacrifice from the heads of bailed out companies.
If you run a financial institution that, in effect, can bring down the system unless the federal government steps in.
Right.
If you get to that point, I think something very bad should happen to you. I don't think you should walk away with a lot of money or even with 10% of your previous net worth.
As for Buffett, Berkshire Hathaway is benefiting big from the U.S. government banking rescues. Holdings include equity and debt. That is at least on 5 of those bailed out companies. Berkshire has reported 2 straight quarters of profit increases after a $1.53 billion loss in the first quarter. Deirdre?
Monica, thanks. And of course, you can see all of Charlie Rose's interview with Warren Buffett tonight right here on Bloomberg Television, 8 p.m. and 10 p.m. Eastern.